Whales are marine mammals, within the infraorder Cetacea. This infraorder is commonly divided into the suborders Mysticeti and Odontoceti. The suborder Mysticeti comprise baleen whales, such as the blue whale and the humpback whale, and the suborder Odontoceti encompasses the toothed whales, such as dolphins and porpoises. The term whale is often used to group the animals that belong to the suborder Mysticeti. There are about 16 species of baleen whales. They got their name due to the presence of baleen, that is, a structure that resembles bristles in place of teeth. Like other mammals, they are warm-blooded, breathe air through blowholes on top of their heads, have hair, give birth, and produce milk to feed their young. Their body have streamlined fusiform shape, with specialized adaptations for aquatic life, such as nearly hairless skin, a layer of fat or blubber, and 2 limbs that are modified into flippers. The baleen whale's head is large, the mouth is wide, the eyes are small and can withstand great pressures, and there is no outer neck. They feed almost exclusively on krill, filtering large amounts of seawater through their baleen plates, but sometimes other marine life, such as copepods and small fish, are added to their diet. Female whales give birth to a single calf, and the average gestation period can range anywhere from 10 to 16 months, depending on the whale species. The average lifespan of a baleen whale can range between 40 to 70 years. What about you? Do you like whales? Have you ever seen a whale up close? Stay now with the sound of these amazing animals.